Hello developers, if you are working with a Go project with PostgreSQL, especially if you are a beginner in Go, so you should stop writing raw SQL queries manually. You should have to use SQLC. It is going to be your best friend soon. It basically what it going to do auto generates Go code from SQL queries, making database handling seamless. What SQLC can do, it gonna write all your database functions for you. You don't have to write. You really don't have to write. You just have to create a folder queries and a file in it, account.sql, and then you just have to write some of the queries here like this for basic functionalities. After defining that, you just have to use your cmd. You just create the project folder, initialize Go module in it, and then install SQLC and set up the sql.yaml config file in it, as you can see I have here. But after that, after writing that code in the account.sql, you just need this code. This is very basic in my case, but maybe in your case it will be a bit more lengthy, and if you are just in the phase of learning, it can be more or less. And after that, you just have to go to the cmd and write SQLC generate a query, only SQLC generate, and it is going to generate all this code for you. You can see I didn't write it, I just write here. And after I have used cmd, and it's going to generate all code for me. I don't have to write it. It is basically managing all errors, like all error handling and every stuff that is important, that I don't even know what is inside it, because I don't need to really look at up it, because it's best. SQLC does it for me. So here how you can use SQLC: just initialize SQLC in your project of Go, and after that just create a query account.sql file for your SQLC, and then write code here. Just you can see these are just 20 lines, like very minimal, and then rest of the things it does for me, you can see. And it is a tip for the beginners, so you don't have to struggle a lot while working with the project. Your focus would be only learning with Go and some of the important modules of the Go. You don't have to have some headache of every framework, everything, like there was a SQLC and the SQL. You just have to use SQLC for your work, make database from it. It will write a lot of code for you. It is very helpful. I'm just giving you a tip. A lot of professionals use it. And thank you if you think this is helpful for you. So please hit a like button. Goodbye.